Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with the demo. So I have separated out the SellereSnap tab from the main bar list, which is the main bar document, which is this one. So now this will work independently, and on this you will see three options to download the SellereSnap tab, clear the SellereSnap tab, or refresh the formula. So I have backed up the formulas on these columns. So if someone unintentionally deletes it, you can always recover it. And yellow cells are basically the manual inputs where you are going to input the MSQs and the SNs, and the rest of the thing will work fine. So, yep. And now I wanted to discuss that what else do you want to remove from the main tab? Either it is inventory lab test or something else, or maybe replen buyer. I don't know. Or should we combine it with the SellereSnap tab, or that should be a separate, just like the SellereSnap tab? So, looking forward for your review. Thank you.